Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to be making a whipped sugar scrub with the use of a stand mixer that I recently got. I usually like to make scrubs with my hand mixer and it's totally okay if you don't have such a machine. But since I received this stand mixer here, I thought I want to give it a try. Here are the ingredients that we are going to use for our scrub. First is a foaming bath butter base. I have mine coming from Stevenson, and it is a great base for this scrub. It comes in practical buckets of 1 kilogram. You will find the recipe down in the description box. Next is shea butter for extra hydration that I already weighed out beforehand. And sugar as the exfoliating agent. This is just regular sugar, white sugar from the regular store. Let's get started by cutting the foaming bath butter in small chunks for easier whipping. The foaming bath butter is a unique and versatile cosmetic base with many luxurious bath and body care applications. It is predominantly used to make foaming whipped soaps and whipped scrubs. The base is made from mild surfactants and is also rich in glycerin for extra hydration. Let's add our soap base into the mixing bowl. The shea butter needs to be cut in small pieces as well. High concentrations of fatty acids and vitamins make shea butter an ideal cosmetic ingredient for softening skin. It has also anti-inflammatory and healing properties. We add it to the foaming bath butter in our bowl. I will add this flat beater for the mixing, especially at this point when the ingredients are still relatively hard. If you are interested in an affordable stand mixer, I left a link for an Amazon version that I recommend. This one here is a French brand and therefore not available in most countries. I will start the mixer on a lower speed and see how it evolves. From time to time, scrape the mixture from the sides and from the bottom to make sure that everything gets mixed in very well. This mixing process will take a little bit of time, so I will leave some other projects of whipped sugar scrub here on the picture. You can see that the mixture increases and gets fluffier as we go. At this point I will add my colorant. This is of course an optional step. I'm using a mica. Add your color step by step, because you can always add more if you are not happy with the intensity, but you cannot take the color back. Let's add the fragrance in as well. I am using a measuring spoon today for practical reasons. Once the mixture is fluffier and softer, I add a whisk attachment for extra whipping. It's time to add our sugar to the mixture. Sugar is great for exfoliation. The granules are rounder and less abrasive than salt, making them a gentler exfoliant. It breaks down layers of dead skin and smoothes the skin's surface. It also speeds up rehydration, keeping the skin conditioned and moisturized. I first fold it in to make sure it is evenly dispersed. Then I put it back on the mixer to give it a final mix. Make sure you use the flat beater for this one. The texture already looks amazing. For the project I'm doing today, I will use a piping bag to pipe the mixture into my plastic jars. You will find all the ingredients and tools that I'm using, including the jars, down in the description box. As a little tip, if you are piping sugar scrub, use a strong piping bag. I'm using a non-disposable one in this case here, and just fill your bag with a little bit of batter. This mixture is very heavy and very thick, and it needs a little bit of extra push. I'm going to add these labels I specifically designed for this project, but there is a version for Mother's Day in my Buy Me a Coffee page, and the members over there have free access to it and can download it and print it and add it to their Mother's Day creations. I have several labels for several products. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're interested in soap making ideas, projects and skincare DIY. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I see you very soon for another video, and in the meantime, have a wonderful day. Bye bye!